Well, I've installed this trolling motor foot switch right here. My boss gave me this enclosure. This used to be an emergency stop. I took out the emergency stop button and put a momentary switch in, 20 amp from AutoZone. It was like $4. Let me show you how it works. Arm the trolling motor. Basically, I can leave this on. So it's just wired over here, and I've got to go into this pigtail. So basically I can disconnect this if I don't want to use the foot control, and just plug in this. As soon as I do this, that motor's going to come on. See? So anyways, this will make it nice. And this saves some money too, so I didn't have to go out and buy a freaking foot control pedal. I think they cost like anywhere between $20 to $40 on Amazon. We're gonna give her a shot tomorrow and see how it goes. I also put this GoPro mount on here. Anyways, we're gonna give it a shot tomorrow.